Top 10 Drug Rehabs in Frisco. Addiction to drugs is difficult and reduces your chances of leading a full life. You need assistance of experts who can help you get back to your former life and be free from addiction, because this battle cannot be won on your own. Here are the best 10 drug rehabs in Frisco that you can visit if you live there or are nearby. Number 10. Access Counseling Group. The Access Counseling Group is an alcohol and drug rehab center in Frisco that is accredited by the Commission on Accreditation of Rehabilitation Facilities. This rehab facility has a special teen addiction therapy program that is offered as a part of their intensive outpatient services, which focuses on showing adolescents why and how they can change the behaviors and thoughts that have contributed to their addiction issues. Another benefit of teens attending this facility is that they have instant drug tests for sale that can help hold them accountable for their actions. There are many different versions of tests, and parents can have their children tested for a wide variety of substances if needed. Number 9. Changes Carlton Springs. One of the best alcohol and drug rehab centers near Frisco is Changes Carlton Springs. The co-occurring disorders that they treat are anxiety, bipolar disorder, borderline personality disorder, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Adults of all ages and adolescents who are 11 to 18 years old are treated at this facility. Number 8. Exalt Healthcare. Exalt Healthcare offers these types of treatment for individuals in Frisco seeking help for substance abuse and mental health issues. Intensive outpatient, medication-assisted treatment, and standard outpatient rehab programs. They also have yoga and mindfulness classes, weight loss management assistance, and psychiatric services for people of all ages. They mainly treat addictions to alcohol, benzodiazepines, nicotine, opioids, and over-the-counter drugs. Number 7. First Step Counseling. First Step Counseling offers intensive outpatient and support outpatient treatment near Frisco for substance use disorders. They work with local probation and parole officers, court officials, and family and protective service employees who refer people to them for treatment. All of their services are offered to low-income individuals for a reduced price. Some drug screening services are available here. Number 6. Homeward Bound. Homeward Bound provides the types of addiction treatment in Frisco like crisis residential program, detoxification services, intensive residential program, men's and women's separate residential programs, specialized female intensive residential program, and standard outpatient. They also have a drug offender education program, recovery support services, and a statewide HIV program. All types of substance abuse issues are treated at this facility. Number 5. Life Management Resources. Life Management Resources is accredited by the Joint Commission. They provide multiple options for addiction treatment, including aftercare, intensive outpatient, online treatment program, and standard outpatient rehab programs. Some of the other services they provide are family supporting counseling, individual counseling, medication management services, substance abuse evaluations, and treatment plans. Number 4. Medical City Green Oaks Hospital. The Medical City Green Oaks Hospital is an alcohol and drug rehab center located near Frisco that is accredited by the Joint Commission. Their addiction treatment, which includes inpatient behavioral health services, medication-assisted treatment for opioid addictions, and standard outpatient. This psychiatric hospital has a special program for adolescents who are 12 to 17 years old. They can also treat adults of all ages. The co-occurring disorders they treat include anger issues, anxiety, eating disorders, mood disorders, and many more. Number 3. West Texas Counseling and Rehabilitation's Program of Plano. The West Texas Counseling and Rehabilitation Program of Plano is accredited by the Joint Commission. They have these drug rehab programs for residents in Frisco or detoxification services, medication-assisted treatment, standard outpatient, and telemedicine services. This facility only treats opioid use disorders. Their treatment methods includes counseling and opioid agonist medications, such as methadone and buprenorphine. Referrals for other services that patients may need are provided though. Number 2. Greenhouse Treatment Center. At Greenhouse, they know firsthand that one size does not fit all when it comes to addiction treatment. Every person's journey to recovery is unique. That's why they offer individualized treatment plans and many levels of care, from inpatient medical detox, where the patient can detox from any substances on which you're physically dependent, in a safe and medically monitored environment, all the way to outpatient therapy. Recovery from drug and alcohol addiction involves much more than detox. It requires new ways of thinking and coping skills. Their program includes numerous proven therapies to help their patients delve into the reasons behind your substance use, adjust harmful beliefs, uncover your motivations for getting sober, and learn new ways to cope that don't involve substances. Number 1. Symetria Recovery. Symetria Recovery is on a mission to change the way drug and alcohol issues are treated. Traditional treatment that's all or nothing leaves too many patients with nothing. It's time for personalized medicine and care teams that truly care, built on compassion with an all-star leadership team. Our high standards attract well-known behavioral health professionals from across the country. Their commitments to ethics and patient success are backed by the highest accreditation in the industry.